Hi everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. This beast takes everything we love about the C8 platform and cranks it up to an entirely new level of performance, aerodynamics, and sheer driving exhilaration. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with what makes the ZR1 stand out: the powertrain. Under the hood, or rather, right behind the driver, sits a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8. But here's the twist: Chevrolet has bolted on a pair of turbochargers, transforming this engine into an absolute powerhouse. The result, a mind-blowing 850 horsepower. That's right, the ZR1 isn't just powerful, it's a force of nature. With all that power comes the need for serious cooling, and Chevy engineers have addressed this with an aggressive aerodynamic package featuring massive vents, additional heat exchangers, and a redesigned front fascia. The ZR1's massive rear wing isn't just for show, it's a functional piece that provides substantial downforce, keeping the car planted at high speeds. Every curve, every vent, and every piece of carbon fiber has a purpose, all designed to maximize performance on both the road and the track. Let's talk about speed. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is expected to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.5 seconds. That puts it in the same league as hypercars, costing 3 to 4 times as much. The top speed, well over 200 miles per hour, making it the fastest production Corvette ever built. But straight-line speed isn't the only thing that matters, so handling is where this car truly shines. The ZR1 takes full advantage of the C8's mid-engine layout, with enhanced suspension tuning, magnetic ride control, and wider Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires for maximum grip. The carbon ceramic brakes, borrowed from the Z06, ensure that even with all that power, the ZR1 can stop on a dime. Whether you're on a racetrack or carving up a mountain road, this car delivers precision handling with an aggressive edge. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with race-inspired elements. Premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber are everywhere, giving it an exotic feel. The latest Chevrolet infotainment system comes with a higher-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. But let's be honest, when you have a twin-turbo V8 roaring behind you, music becomes an afterthought. One of the most impressive things about the ZR1 is that it remains relatively affordable compared to European supercars with similar performance. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, estimates put it around $150,000, an absolute bargain considering the level of engineering and speed you're getting. For comparison, a Ferrari or a Lamborghini with similar performance would easily cost double or even triple that price. Of course, for those who want to push things even further, Chevrolet is expected to offer an optional ZTK package, which could add even more extreme aero, track-focused suspension tuning, and possibly lighter materials to shed a few extra pounds. If the previous ZR1 models are any indication, this package will be the ultimate track weapon. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 isn't just another high-performance car, it's a statement. It represents the pinnacle of American engineering, taking on the world's best at supercars and delivering unmatched performance at a fraction of the cost. It's a car designed for those who crave speed, precision, and adrenaline. So, what do you think of the new ZR1? Is this the ultimate Corvette? Or do you think Chevy has something even crazier up its sleeve for the future? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more premium car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.